Hey there guys, Brad here. We are going to do a finished deck video today, talking about all the features and giving you a tour of what we built. So we did a 16 by 16 covered deck. It is screened in all the way around. You'll see some vinyl handrail there. It's all Trex. We did some Trex boarding, decking down on the bottom. So tried to be maintenance free as much as we possibly could. We got some vinyl on the wall here as well. So it's all nice and bright and white. We've done some, I forget, it's pine boarding up in the ceiling, so tried to be a little fancy there. And yeah, you can just see what we've done. Got a ceiling fan in here for the summertime heat, and got some lights. Just tried to make it really nice and relaxing. Just a nice place to hang out, eat some meals, sit and read a book in the summertime or the wintertime on a nice warm December day. Got some sunshades there for the sun in the summertime specifically. It's not a big deal this time of year, but yeah, we've got the grill deck over here that's outside, so we don't have to worry about smoke and things of that nature. And then of course, the real reason why we built a deck isn't for the deck, it's for the hot tub. And so we've got that over there as well. So enjoying the whole thing. It's been about 6 months. So far so good, everything is holding up. Got our cement board columns that we spent a little extra time and labor on putting these things in, but they should be good for years to come. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching and have a good one there, guys. It's gonna start getting cold now, but it's as warm as it's going to be. It's gonna be 55 degrees